Remember the 5th of November.
If you saw me go, would you ask me to stay? Silhouettes in dim.
Yeah. So we came here to watch some fireworks
and do some other bonfire-y stuff.
And to see Jamie Archer sing.
Tonight, make some noise for Jamie Archer!
Up getting to meet him. I know.
And guess what? We touched his hair.
I got to touch his hair.
Willy.
He was so awesome. He sang about 5 songs?
Yeah, he did.
It was like 5 songs.
We'll do a little rerun. Wait, honestly, there's only 2 songs which kind of stand out.
Living on a Prayer
and Sex on Fire, which is kind of appropriate seeing the big inferno behind us,
fire.
which is akin to a mini sun that
yes. And we can see Stirling Castle. No, you can't. You could see it, but if you
somewhere in that vicinity where my glow, there we go.
the wee dot in the middle of the screen. I think you can just.
But you can see the Wallace Monument.
The Wallace
over
Monument
there.
is just a little dot, like above my finger, like
Pretty dot.
That's it. Right.
And it's a lovely clear night and we're freezing cold, but that doesn't matter.
I still can't go the fact we got to meet him. Basically, we went round the side of the stage after he'd finished, and we thought, oh, let's stalk him and let's see if we can. And then he came out, and then we were like,
behind the cage. We basically turned into animals, like clawing.
And then I had my camera. I think I might actually film it. I don't know if you'll be able to see it or that, but you should be able to. And then we basically started yelling his name, and he came right up to the thing, and he basically came near me, and I touched his hand, and I don't know why. I just sort of flipped.
Your mum's
out.
coming with the drink.
Oh, look at, oh, you can't see them, but that's, oh, there we go, they brought us drinks. How lovely. They got hot chocolate.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, so, and then he came up to the fence, and I kind of turned a bit insane and started screaming in his face, and then he kind of went away again. But then we got to meet him.
Someone touched his hair, and that just was like too far, and he went
And then we queued up for a while. I think
the fireworks went off, and some of them were amazing.
We weren't watching the fireworks that much. We were too busy screaming at the fact that we just met Jamie.
So quick.
And then Anna, I'll put a little video in now. And that's the Beatles song that we chased across that field.
We shouted out several hundred times. We shouted out to him to sing more, but he didn't. But he sang other cool songs.
He sang a Killer song, which I filmed.
But we didn't know it was the Killers at first because we thought it was the Beatles. We're like, oh,
and they were like, I'm sorry, we don't know that much about the Beatles, Anna. But my battery's running low, so we'll see you later.
Bye.